can either do it later or it just
Your app. What they said.
I thought you don't go up there yet.
So what you saw right there is people impatient that can't wait in their room. You could go and reserve your table on your app and wait for them to send you a message and then come down. So yeah, don't be all waiting in the hallway, just all sitting in the stairs and all that kind of stuff. You could avoid all that by going to your Hub app and reserving a spot. Hey, look, let's play casino. We haven't done that.
Yes.
And then we could do that after we go up there. Yeah, don't be all sitting there. Oh, I'm gonna go and reserve my spot after I get down there. No.
Wait.
Go on your Hub app, reserve, and then they will tell you when a table is ready. And then you have 10 minutes to go down, which is plenty of time. And you don't have to be all right up, you know, all up in there looking dumb. Anyway, so there's my rant of the day. What's up, everybody? You got mail. I'm just sitting here chilling. Wife's outside on the balcony. It's a nice day outside, right? The further south we go away from Texas, the better the temperature is. You've got mail. This is fresh from the press. August 27th, 2023. Dear Carnival Vista guests, welcome again. We are delighted to have you sailing with us. In partnership with our Fleet Operations Center, we are actively monitoring Tropical Storm Idalia. By the time you watch this, it's probably done and over with, right? It's probably a hurricane done did stuff in Florida. But by this time, you know, it's just a tropical storm right now. Okay, that's all it is. And it's over there by, kind of like by Cozumel. At present, there is no change to our scheduled voyage. As everyone's safety is our priority, we will continue to monitor the weather and provide you with timely update if anything changes. Let's hope nothing changes. As we sail, you may feel added movement to the ship. Yes! Our highly trained and experienced officers will do everything possible to minimize any discomfort. Now listen, Mr. Captain Man, listen, I've always wanted to ride out through a hurricane. Come on, man, let's do this. Go through the freaking center, okay? That's what I'm saying. For everyone's safety, please take extra precaution while walking around and using handrails if possible. Yeah. I'm looking forward to a nice rocky ship. Yeah. To stay up to date with the information about the storm, you may tune into the Good to Know channel on channel 30 on your stateroom television. Yeah, I changed it. They're trying to sell us crap. My team and I remain committed to making sure your cruise is fun and memorable. Listen, take us through the freaking eye, okay? That's what I'm saying. No, I'm just looking forward to it. I know a lot of people probably may get, you know, sickness. I'm not. And, you know, when you get on enough cruises, you know, you just, when you do your cruises, like, you know, when you first start cruising, you want perfect weather, right? Sun out and all that kind of stuff. But after time, it's like you want to experience different things. And one of the things you want to experience is a good old hurricane. Or maybe a tropical storm. Hurricane may be a little bit too much, but a tropical storm, yes. So, I'm looking forward to it. I just really am. But I tell you what, we're not looking forward to is Elegant Night tonight. And so we're not dressing up. We're doing what we did last week. Wearing t-shirts and shorty shorts and flip-flops and sandals. And we're going to eat at the Jimmy Buffett. Jimmy Buffett. I'm in the Havana area. They actually have the pool closed, no water in it, and I'm not sure if that has anything to do with the storm coming out or we'll be going through, or they're cleaning it. I don't know. But today has been a very chilled and relaxed day. Yeah, not much going on the C days, you know. We didn't do any we didn't do the whole elegant night thing. We just came, you know, just ate buffet. Now we haven't been to the main dining room all week yet, so tomorrow we will, and we'll have the same staff that if I remember correctly, we're supposed to have the same staff that we had last week, because we have the same table that we had last week, and that's something that that we requested. So anyway, so we're going to see what tomorrow holds as far as the storms and everything goes, but we're hoping it get kind of, I'm hoping it'll be a little rowdy, but I know that a lot of people want sun. But to me, I'm ready for some entertainment. But it is a nice quiet night. All day it's been quiet, besides this morning it wasn't. But I'm gonna relax in the hot tub here, and probably spend a good hour or two up in here and just relax. Hopefully I won't fall asleep. And then we'll wake up and do it all over again tomorrow. So from the first full sea day, we'll talk to you well, tomorrow, and we'll see what tomorrow holds with this storm. Anyway, 73.